Hi everyone. My name is Victoria and you're watching the Lashes Online channel. Today, I'll show you how to create an impressive lash extension look with spikes, which will give your eyes more depth and expressiveness. We're going to combine volume lashes with classic ones to achieve the perfect balance between drama and natural beauty. I've received a lot of feedback from you, and as a thank you, I've decided to offer a special gift, a free guide all about lash adhesive. In this guide, I've compiled the most important tips for working with glue for lash extensions. To get it for free, just follow me on Instagram and comment the word guide on my latest post, and I'll send it to you for free. Let's get started. The first step is isolating the lower lashes. I use special eye patches that not only protect the lower lashes but also keep the client comfortable during the procedure. Proper isolation is crucial to ensure nothing gets in the way during the process. On top of the patch, I apply paper tape, which makes the job much easier. Next, we prepare the upper lashes using a lash cleanser. This step is necessary to remove any dirt, oils, or makeup residue. Cleansing helps improve the bond between the natural and extension lashes, ensuring the extensions last longer. If the client was wearing mascara before the appointment, I recommend washing off all makeup with a foam cleanser and then proceeding with the lash prep. Cleansing the lashes beforehand guarantees maximum retention for the lash extensions. After that, I move on to creating the lash map on the patch. This is a crucial step because it's what I'll follow during the application. Today, I'm creating a look with a focus on spikes, longer lash bundles that add dynamism and a special touch to the look. The spike lengths will range from 9 to 13 millimeters, and I'll make them in 3D volume for a fuller, more expressive look. For the rest of the lashes, I'll use a classic set with lengths from 5 to 10 millimeters, keeping the overall look natural. Now that the lash map is ready, we can start applying the extensions. For the spikes, I use 3D volume, which means I'm attaching a closed fan of 3 lashes to each natural lash. This creates a dense, intense effect where more drama is needed. I first apply one fan at equal distances from each other, as shown on the map. Then, I add 2 more spikes under each original spike. This adds extra definition and ensures there are no gaps in case a spike falls out. For the remaining lashes, I go with a classic set, attaching one extension to each natural lash. This helps maintain a light and natural overall look. In this set, I've decided to create a 3-length difference between the spikes and the other lashes. So, if the spike is 13 millimeters, the lashes below it will be 10 millimeters. If the spike is 12 millimeters, the lashes below will be 9 millimeters, and so on. I fill the entire eye this way. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps with growing the channel and ensures you won't miss out on any valuable content. And here's the final result. As you can see, the spikes give the eyes brightness and definition, while the rest of the lashes maintain a natural look with the classic set. This is a perfect choice for those who want a bit of drama without overwhelming the look. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about lash extension techniques, be sure to subscribe to my channel, Lash is Online. Like this video and leave your questions in the comments. See you soon.